In this video, we'll cover the specifics of duplicating a Google form. Navigate to Google Forms in a web browser. Open the Google form you'd like to duplicate. Click More on the top right corner of the page. A pop-up menu will appear after clicking on it. Click Make a Copy. This is the very first option in the pop-up menu. Clicking on it should open a Copy Document pop-up box. Give your duplicate form a suitable title. Choose a location to save your duplicate. By default, it's set to My Drive. Select the Share It with the Same People option if you want. Click OK. Done. You can now edit the copy as you require. You can also create multiple copies of the same form if you want, and you can also create a copy of a copied form. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.